What's up, my producer friends? Another monster here, anothermonsterproductions.com. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Supersaw sound from scratch. It's a very simple patch to make, and all you need is some sort of synth that allows you to have multiple voicing options. So I'm using Serum, and in Serum it's called Unison. We're going to start with just one oscillator with a sawtooth wave, which looks like this. And we're just going to bring the Unison up. I'm going to bring it all the way up. It doesn't really, you don't necessarily need all 16 voices, but with Serum we have that ability, so I'm just going to make it 16. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring the detune up, and that's going to allow it to get the Supersaw sound. So right about in the middle seems to be where it sounds the best. Whatever that last chord is. So if you guys want to take this even a step farther, you could experiment with it and potentially add some noise. And Serum has a lot of really cool noises that you can add. A lot of like white noise and atmospheric type stuff. I found something that sounds kind of cool. I'll just bring the level up. It sounds kind of like this. So then you can kind of experiment with the level of it and just sort of make it subtle, but it'll fill out the sound a little bit more depending on what sounds you guys are making. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. If you liked it, please go ahead, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. That's going to let you know every time I release new videos like this one. And check out the description down below too, because I've got some free stuff that I'm giving away down there as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Style.